So now let's see how we can do the clipboard and freehand capture inside of Snagit. So over here I have the Snagit recorder window. So I'm going to go to image right here, and then I'm going to go to selection, advanced, and then over here you can see that there's clipboard as an option. So here you have a setting for the clipboard. So you can listen for images on the clipboard, as you can see right there. So whenever I copy some images, it'll just automatically capture it. But let's do the manual way first. So I'm just going to go around here, right click, and copy out this image right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit capture, and now let's see what happens. The image that I copied is now over here, just like this. So that is how it works. You can right click over here. I'm just going to, let's say you cannot copy this out. So I'm just going to go around just like this. And then maybe I need to copy this image right here. Hit on capture, and let's see what happens now. So now that image is there, as you can see right there. So now what I'm going to do is enable listen for images on clipboard right over here. So now whenever I copy any image, it gets imported onto Snagit editor. So let me hit the start button right here. So the clipboard chain option is enable start capture by copying to the clipboard. That is example, use copy in an application as well. So now that is there. So I'm just going to copy this out, copy this image. I'm going to go around and maybe copy this image and then go back right here just like that, and then I'm going to copy this image just like that. So what else? Any other images that I have? I don't think so. So I'm just going to go over here. If there's some image, I'm just going to copy that out, but I guess that's it. So I'm just going to hit the stop button right here, and now let's see what happens. If I were to open up the editor, all of the images that I copied out is now here without me having to manually record each and every one of them, just like that. So you can simply go over here onto the clipboard and turn it off right over there, and that is how everything works like. And that is how you can use the clipboard copy option. Another way to capture out screenshot is to work with freehand, just like this. So if I were to hit capture now, I can freely select anything just like that. Just draw around the screen right over here, just like that. And let's say I just want to select out this part, and that has been recorded as a screenshot, just like that. And that is how you can use the clipboard and freehand capture inside of Snagit. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.